Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut your shaki, oxtail, beef. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and start bringing them out from the bag, and this one is really good. They don't have any fats and all that stuffs. So yeah, this one is very clean. So but I'm just going to go ahead and cut them, and I'm going to show you guys how I clean and pack them. Continue watching, guys.
Change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just pain when you felt it all. Oh, something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, keep my all to you. All you did was tell me lies.
Guys, after cutting the first one, I'm going to go ahead and cut the second badge. So yeah, continue watching. So guys, after cutting everything, this is how it looks. This is how it looks, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I wash and clean them. And this is what I got out from the all of it. So yeah, this is what I got out. I don't like this stuff, so I just try to cut them out as much as I can. So yeah, let's go ahead. So let me show you how I wash them. So guys, I'm going to make sure my sink is clean. I'm going to add the meat, the shaki, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and I'm going to start washing. So guys, I'm just going to start placing all the shaki into the sieve, so to allow the excess water to go out nicely before I start packing them. That's what I'm doing just now. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and start adding the second badge, and I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt, and I'm going to do the same thing I did in the first time, and then wash it, make sure they are properly cleaned. So here I'm going to be packing them inside this bag. This is the type of bag I use to store them in the freezer.
Change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just pain when you felt it all. Oh, something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it.
Got this one from Facebook, these two, and this one from Lidl. So when I don't have this one, I just use this one, anyone that is available at that time. So this is what I got from the Shaki. So yeah, I just store them like this in the freezer. So when I want to use it, I just take one, depending on like the soup I want to make, because I put other things like fish and beef and all that. But this one is Shaki. So yeah, that's it. So here guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got here. So guys, this one is oxtail and this one is beef, while this one is trachea, and I got a little bit of liver because we don't eat much liver. So yeah, I'm going to go show you guys how I cut them. Keep watching guys. So guys, you can see the way I'm cutting the trachea. You can actually cut them the way you want. If you like them thick, you can actually cut them just exactly how you want them. And here you can see I'm just removing the fats. Yeah, so I'm just adding them into the where I'm going to wash them. So here I'm going to start cutting the liver. You just cut your liver just the way you want it. Yeah, this one is so easy to cut. Yeah, that's it guys. That is just it. And after this, I'm going to start washing them. And I'm still going to wash it with salt thoroughly. Yeah. This oxtail is very strong. As you can see, the bones inside they are very strong. So yeah, I had to use a different knife to cut the bones first before I used the other knife to just cut the meat. But the bones, you have to use the bigger knife, like a stronger knife. Yeah, otherwise you can take it to professionals to cut it for you. You have to be very careful cutting this part. Yeah, so I thought I should put it out there. It's not easy to cut this part.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just pain when you felt it all. Oh.
Yes, I've just finished washing them, and I use the same process to wash all the meat. Like I sprinkled some salt before washing them, and I make sure I wash them thoroughly, you know. Guys, here I'm just adding the beef, and I'm adding some tracheas, like adding them according to how I'm going to use them. Like if I put it into the freezer just now, when I want to use it, I just take one bag, knowing that I have beef inside it and I have trachea as well inside it. So yeah, even if I don't want to finish it, I'll just remove a little bit, but this is how I pack them to be easy when I want to use it. So I put some of this and I put some of this. Yeah, that's what I was doing here basically. And this is how it came out. You can see yeah, this is how it came out. The meats, like the red the beef, and this one is trachea, as I told you.
Tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done.
Guys, this is how I cut and clean and pack the meats to be easier whenever I want to use them to cook. And I hope this video is helpful to you. I hope you like it, and I hope it's very informative, you know. So if you like it, please go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.